Hello everyone, Lewis here. In this video I'm going to be eating the Hershey's chocolate bar for the very first time. I've never had this chocolate bar ever. It's American and this is my first time eating it. I don't think I've made a food review video before. I can't remember if I have. I can't remember if I have made a food review video, but if I have, it's been a long time. So yeah, I'm gonna eat it now. I'm gonna open it. Just let me put my phone down for a minute. It smells quite nice. It smells nice. So yeah, I think I'm about to yawn. So yeah, Hershey's is bleh. So yeah, in case you guys didn't know, Hershey's is an American chocolate bar. This is my first time eating Hershey's. So yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Mmm. It's actually really nice. I've got three other bars of I've got three other sorry, I've got three other chocolate bars of Hershey's in my cupboard. um but yeah, it's actually really nice. Um mm. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I keep saying I'm sorry I keep saying guys. I just don't know what to say. Yeah, but that's because I'm shy. I'm sorry. I'll say that again. I don't know what to say because I'm feeling a bit shy. So I'm sorry. Um. So yeah. On the front cover, it just says milk chocolate flavor. But there's other flavors of Hershey's, which I'm going to buy when I next go to the shop. I got this from Morrison's. I live near a Morrison's. Sorry, I live near a Morrison's shop. So yeah, that's it really. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, that's the first time in my life I've ever tried Hershey's, and I love it. I really love it. I'm gonna have some more because it's really nice. I'm gonna have some more because it's really nice. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to do it with one hand. There we go. I was just looking at the time. It's 10 minutes till 8 o'clock. United Kingdom time. So yeah, that's the first time in my life I've ever tried Hershey's, and it's really nice. I actually really love it. and I really, really enjoy it as well. It's really, really tasty. I'm gonna buy some more flavors. Please let me know if you want me to try more American chocolate or any other chocolate in the world. Um, but they might not have it in the UK. But if they don't have it in the UK, then I can buy it from the internet. You know, it's okay. Um, but I always get worried about buying things from the internet. Um, I always get worried about buying things from the internet because I always get worried in case someone does something to them. Um, because things like that have happened to people, you know? And I don't think anything like that has ever happened to me. Um, no, I don't think so. I don't remember anyway. I might remember in a minute. Sorry, I might remember as soon as I end the video, but if I do remember, I'll try to remember to write it down on my notes on my phone, and I'll talk to you guys about it. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That is the first time I've ever eaten Hershey's. I know I've said that about 5 times, but it is. This is the first time in my life I've ever eaten Hershey's, and I really, really love it. I give it a 9 out of 10. The reason why I give it a 9 out of 10 is because, you know, sometimes how chocolate can like melt when you're pushing it to the top, or when you're trying to get it out. Do you know what? Do you know what? I give it a 10 out of 10, actually. It's really, really nice. I've just realised the reason why it's gone a bit... Like, what I was trying to say was, you know, when you're trying to get chocolate out and it goes a bit melted. That was why, but I've just remembered it's because of my hands, because my hand's warm. My hand is warm, I mean. And because it's really, really nice, I give it a 10 out of 10. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. See you guys later. Take care, everyone. Bye. Take care, everyone. See you soon.